Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials: mobile KYC done, documents scanned, and the Axis Bank app open. Once logged in, tap Loans and pick Car Loan. This begins the online flow. You must choose new verses used, then enter vehicle make, model, and on-road price. Next, input desired loan amount and preferred tenure in months. You do this now because it drives EMI estimates and eligibility checks. So complete these first to get accurate offers and speed up verification. Once done with basic inputs, you proceed to detailed sections: personal, employment, and income. Provide exact monthly income and employer contact. This affects the loan amount. Then upload required documents: PAN, Aadhaar, bank statements, salary slips, or Form 16 using the app camera or file upload. For the vehicle, attach the invoice for new cars or the RC for used cars. Make sure files are clear. Poor scans delay processing. After uploads, review the provisional EMI, rate, and processing fees before moving. You finish by reviewing the final loan offer carefully. Check interest rate, tenure, EMI, and fees. If everything looks right, accept terms and complete eKYC and eSign using OTP. The app guides you step by step. Some applications require a physical vehicle inspection. Schedule it through the app. After submission, track status under My Applications and expect a sanction letter or call. If something goes wrong, use one tip: re-upload clear documents and confirm your net monthly income matches bank statements to avoid rejection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.